Hi traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Are you still using the default MACD on TradingView and wondering why your signals feel off or too slow? Well, in this video, we are diving into the best MACD indicator on TradingView, a powerful version that gives you a much clearer picture of market momentum and helps you avoid common mistakes. Now, the standard MACD is great. All right, I'm not trying to undermine the standard MACD. Okay, it's a great indicator. A lot of traders use it, and it's super nice, right? But it is outdated in terms of visual clarity and responsiveness. Many traders find themselves entering too late or missing key momentum shifts. So that is why switching to an optimized MACD can be a game changer, especially if you are serious about improving your entries and exits. So this upgraded MACD indicator that we want to look at comes with dynamic histograms, color-coded momentum shifts, and customizable signal smoothing. All right, unlike the basic version, it gives you instant feedback when the market momentum changes without all the lag. Okay, so you can actually see when momentum is building up or slowing down in real time. Another key feature, it includes moving average overlays directly on the MACD line itself, giving you faster signals that align more closely with price action. And this eliminates a lot of guesswork and helps you spot better setups with confidence. All right, so once you add it to your TradingView chart, go to the indicator settings, and let us add the MACD plus SMA 200 on the chart. Okay. So you can actually edit these indicators inputs if you wish. The MACD fast moving average, the MACD slow moving average, the MACD signal line moving average, and the very slow moving average. You can actually modify it according to your taste. All right. But the default settings actually work fine. Okay. To make this MACD even more powerful, you can combine it with support and resistance levels, right? On your chart, you pay attention to these important levels, where rejections and reversals are likely to happen. Okay. So when using this indicator, just wait for the indicator to show a clear momentum shift and price to react at a key level. For example, we can see that here in this particular scenario, we had a bullish trend, right? We had a bullish trend. Basically, when the indicator paints this green color, when this indicator line changes to green, it shows that there is bullish momentum, right? There is bullish momentum. And then when the area, this shaded area is painted green, it shows that there is still bullish momentum at the time. Meanwhile, when the indicator line changes to red, it shows that bearish momentum is taking over. When the SMA line changes to red, bearish momentum is taking over. Then an additional confirmation is when the MACD crossovers take place. You can see these crossovers between these two smaller lines. When it takes place, a crossover to the downside, it shows that bearish is a time to enter a bearish trade. Right, that is a signal to enter a bearish trade. Okay, and the area is also going to be painted, red, right, light red. So this would have been a good place to enter a sell. Stop loss can be right above the moving average, the SMA. Take profit can be around key support zones. All right, then the case for a buy trade, basically, you have to have price climb above the SMA, and the color of the SMA should change to green, and then you have to have your MACD crossovers. These two lines, they have to cross to the upside, and you have price trading above it. You have price getting rejected around these smaller lines. Okay, so when you get a confirmation candle, you can go ahead to enter a buy. Stop loss below the moving average. Take profit can actually be around key resistance zones. Okay, when you are also making use of your support and resistance zones, you will notice that whenever you have a buy signal around a support zone, it even gives more validity to that signal. It adds a layer of confidence to that trade. On the other hand, if you get a sell signal around a resistance zone, it adds a layer of confidence to that trade as well. All right. You remember, resistance are areas where price is being hindered from going further upward. So when you get a sell signal around the resistance zone, it shows that there is a higher chance of that sell playing out. Okay, you just have to watch out for sell confirmation candlesticks, and then once you get a good sell confirmation candlesticks like what we had here, then enter your sell trade. Stop loss above the SMA, right? Take profits around key support zones, or you can just wait for when these smaller lines will change color to blue. All right, if it changes from red to blue, then it could be a sign to exit your sell trade. Okay, so this indicator is actually an effective indicator, a unique MACD indicator that is combined with the SMA, directly on the chart. It's clean, customizable, and works across all trading styles. Do not rely on outdated tools. Upgrade your chart, upgrade your strategy. All right. Ensure that you observe good risk management practices. It's very important. Okay. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you stay updated with more advanced indicator breakdowns like this one. Drop a comment below if you want me to review another TradingView tool next. See you in the next video. Stay sharp, stay disciplined, and keep evolving your edge.